So here's what I think, that this is our last chance to get involved with LayerZero. So back in December, they mentioned that they will be doing the airdrop first half of 2024. So that means from January until June, most likely. So that is 6 months. So right now, I do think we have a 50% chance of us to get involved with it. They also mentioned that the snapshot back then was not taken yet. So most likely, again, this is based on my opinion, I do think we have a 50% chance of us to get involved with it and maybe receive the airdrop, or at least increase our chances of receiving a larger airdrop. Also, if we check on LayerZero scan, we can see that they currently have 98 million transactions. I'm kind of thinking that if we reach 100 million transactions, they might take the snapshot. Why is that? Because usually we like psychological levels. Just remember, Bitcoin, we're trying to reach 100,000 and not 98 or not 99. So usually we like these round numbers. So let's go straight into it and show you guys the process. Since LayerZero is a bridging technology, you need to be utilizing some projects that are using their technology. So that would be a bridge, that would be also some projects like Holograph, like Stargate Finance, OmniBTC, Merkley, and many others. The first one that I really like is OmniBTC, because once it is tokenless, so you can once be increasing your activities towards the airdrop for OmniBTC, but second, you are also adding some volume with LayerZero. So here's the process. We can use several blockchains for us to receive our funds and also use LayerZero at the same time. I have Base, we have Optimism, Arbitrum, BNB, Polygon, and Avalanche. Maybe you could also add Ethereum, but most likely it would be quite expensive, so that's why I'm skipping it. So let's go ahead and take a quick transaction from Arbitrum to Base. By the way, I'm going to be adding a link in the description for OmniBTC. That is a referral link, so if you join, you get 50 points towards the airdrop. Just make sure that you check your rewards before taking any transaction to see if those 50 points are already added. Then let's go ahead and take that transaction. So I have 0.155, which is around $394. Make sure that you're choosing LayerZero, because if not, it will not go towards the LayerZero airdrop. So let's go ahead and do swap, which, by the way, the fees are 20 cents, give or take, for the bridge, and then 50 cents for OmniBTC. Let's go ahead and do swap. We confirm the swap, and we wait for the pop-up. And there we go. We do confirm. That's it. Basically, that is the only thing you need to be doing. Obviously, you can utilize different blockchain. For example, you could do some on Optimism, on Polygon, on BNB, just to increase your on-chain activity. But also make sure that you're not adding all your transaction within 48 hours. So you take maybe 2 or 3 today, you wait 24 hours, you do maybe 1 or 2, just for you to be consistent and add as much days active as possible. So let's go straight into the LayerZero scan. Here you can paste your wallet address, you do search. You guys can see that currently I have one that says in flight right now. So you guys can see that it is actually being counted towards LayerZero. So that's how you can check if your transactions are indeed going through LayerZero. Next on the list is Stargate Finance. Same process, you can take some transaction, you can bridge, which is pretty good. I do like Stargate Finance. The only thing is that it is not tokenless. So if you use it, yes, it will be counted towards LayerZero, but second, you will not be receiving an airdrop for Stargate Finance. So Stargate Finance, good to add some diversification. So make sure that you do use it. You maybe add some transactions, some bridging, just for diversification. And last on the list is Holograph. This project is actually tokenless. So you can mint an NFT completely free every Wednesday. And once that is done, you can go to bridging and you do NFT bridge. So once you do that, it is actually using the LayerZero technology. So if you mint your NFT on the Optimism mainnet, which will cost you maybe 50 cents, $1 depending on the gas fee, because the NFT is actually free, then you can bridge it to maybe Polygon or any other chain that they have available. So Polygon, Optimism, Zora, Arbitrum, Mento, BNB chain, and then Avalanche. And obviously Ethereum, but still Ethereum is quite expensive. So again, I'm gonna be skipping that. So just by using these 3, you're 1, farming LayerZero, 2, you're farming OmniBTC, and you're also farming Holograph. Then lastly, you can also add some transaction on Stargate Finance to check your volume. Then if you want to check your total volume, you guys can actually use nftcopilot.com, which, by the way, the amount of volume that you're seeing, the amount of transaction that you're seeing are usually not 100% accurate. So you just need to know that, but still pretty good to be used. Let's go ahead and add that, and we do check. And by the way, I think it is updated every few hours. So my last transaction, it is not showing up here because it says updated 3 hours ago. So for this specific wallet, I only have 1.4K in volume. I have 30 transactions, but as you can see, it is not being accurate, because if we go to LayerZero, it is showing that I have 34. Obviously, you can remove one of them because I just took that one, but it is missing 3 transactions. So NFT Copilot and many others are not 100% accurate, but still pretty good for you to check some information. So I have used it for the past 8 months, 9 contract, 5 destination chains, 5 source chain, and 1.4K in volume. So not bad at all, but again, it is not 100% accurate, just for you to know. So hopefully this was helpful enough. If you have any questions, any doubts, just let me know. Thank you for watching. Happy farming, guys. Bye-bye.